Welcome to Kitchen Catch Up. This is our second video and we have changed our channel name, but the content remains same. So today I'm going to make chicken kosha, which is a semi-gravy item of chicken. So come and I will show you the ingredients.
These are our overall ingredients. We'll be using 1 kg of chicken wings, 4 to 5 tablespoons of white oil. You can use mustard oil as well. This is only for marination. We've taken about 3 teaspoons of ginger paste and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Half teaspoon we'll be using of garam masala and half teaspoon of barbecue masala. If you want, you can use, or else you can skip this. Here are the standard masalas in our kitchen. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Now we'll marinate, and also just ensure that the quantity of all the masalas will be proportionate to the quantity of the chicken we are using.
Marination has been done. It was almost there for 4 hours. 2 hours should be fine. We have white oil. We have 2 bay leaves, tejpattas, 2 cloves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, and 2 Elaichi. We have 2 roughly chopped onions, 2 tomatoes chopped into 4 pieces each, and chili pieces also are slit. Standard masala, that is salt, turmeric and Kashmiri mirch, and 2 tablespoons of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and pepper. So we have added 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I will be giving the bay leaves and cinnamon, cloves and Elaichi. The heat should be medium. Now we're going to give the roughly chopped onions. I'll wait for these tomatoes to turn soft and I'll take the skin out after that. I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. Now we'll be adding salt, half tablespoon here. Turmeric, Kashmiri mirch powder, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper, now I'm going to add the marinated chicken. So almost for 5 minutes it was in low flame. Let me take out the lid, and this time you can taste the salt content. You can add according to your own taste. Okay, and I'm going to add the slit chilies now. some warm water, very less warm water, because already I see water is there. And I'm going to put the lid again and just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll come back after 15 minutes. So it was almost there for 15 minutes. I've taken out the lid, and what I feel like it should cook for another 10 more minutes in low flame. So I'll continue. So guys, our chicken kosha is ready. You can try with roti, rice, fulka, or naan.
Yeah, and we hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel Kitchen Catch-Ups, and we'll see you in our next video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye.